In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the console in Google Chrome. Understanding how to navigate and utilize the console is a valuable skill for anyone looking to delve deeper into web development or debugging processes. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to have a web page open, as this will give us something to work on. It could be any website, but for demonstration purposes, a website with interactive elements could be more useful. Once you have the web page of your choice open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, to access the console, you have a couple of options. The simplest way is to right-click anywhere on the web page. Look for and select Inspect, which usually appears towards the bottom of the menu. This will open the Developer Tools panel at the bottom or side of your browser window. If you're more of a keyboard shortcut person, you can use the combination of Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on a Mac. With the Developer Tools now open, you'll see several tabs at the top of this panel. We're interested in finding the one labeled Console. Click on it and there you go, you've now opened the console. The console is where we can enter commands or view messages. It's your direct line to interact with web pages using JavaScript. Before we run any commands, let's get a bit familiar with the interface itself. On one side, you'll see a bar where you can type. This is your command entry field. Above it, you'll notice any messages or errors that the web page might have generated, which can be incredibly useful for debugging. Now, let's try entering a basic command. In the command entry field, type in console.log hello world and hit enter. You should now see hello world appear in the console output. This command essentially tells the browser to log this message to the console. It's a basic, yet crucial debugging command, often used to confirm your code is executing as expected. Another handy feature of the console is its ability to test changes live. For instance, you can manipulate the appearance of elements on the web page. Type in document_body.style, background color equals light blue, and hit enter. You'll notice the background color of the web page changes instantly without the need to refresh. Finally, if you need to clear the console at any point, simply type clear and press enter. This will give you a clean slate to work with. Remember, the console is a powerful tool, and while we've only scratched the surface today, I encourage you to explore its capabilities further. And there you have it, the basics of using the console in Google Chrome. With practice, you'll find this tool indispensable for web development and debugging tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!